Alright, here we are. We're going to do a StepLifter unboxing. This is our 300L mini unit. This is approximately what you're going to be getting when you get your unit and you're having it delivered to your home. These units weigh about 200 pounds, come in several boxes.
So the first thing you'll notice is that it has heavy straps on the side that need to be cut. Get the cut on the grip. Then you can remove the top box and the cardboard packing. At this point you'll see the main frames of the StepLifter. The StepLifter, then you have to cut the zip ties that hold the corner of the two railings together. When you're cutting the zip ties, there's other zip ties that hold to the base, but you don't have to get those at this point. And you take off the railings carefully. There's extra wires, there's buttons on it. Set this aside somewhere inside near where you're going to assemble. Put the excess packing at this point, and then another railing. Tip it, David, tip it up. That's it. You getting it, Scott?
Yep.
Okay.
So be careful of the actuators when you tip it that way, I guess.
You can pick it up now and start to carry it in. Set it down approximately 1 inch from the edge of the stairs. Get to each side. Centered on the doorway. So you pull it toward your side a little, Rich. About an inch. Okay, at this point, cut off the zip ties from the actuator and the zip ties holding the platform to the railing, the one with the tag, such that the switch is toward the outside of the railing. At this point, you'll have to open up the cardboard box. At this point, you need to open up the cardboard box and pull out the different packages. You'll notice that they're labeled for where they're needed. Pull out all of them. Pull out all of them. Next, install the 3/8 bolt that goes through the railing at the bottom. Find it at the left. That's it. I'll give you a different nut.
Mm-hmm.
Still have a. You tighten
A wrench.
This wrench. Tighten this up. You might have to use a hammer to tap the bolt through. That's good. One more. Tighten all bolts really tight. It should be about as tight as a medium-sized man can pull the thing. So now we pick up the upper actuator bolts. Putting the bolt in from the front. And tighten up with wrenches. Use the 1/2-inch wrenches. Next is to connect the two electrical plugs. You notice they're coated V to V. And they allow a slop there. That's because the platform is going to rise and you're going to need slop to go there. Side finally connecting the electrical connection. You notice it's coated. It'll only go in one way. It leaves a loop for allowing it to go up and down. All using the attached drywall screws. In our case, we're mounting it with heavy-duty tape for temporary. Then connect up the electrical power supply. You'll notice when the power supply is on, this green light is on as well. We'll shut it off while we're making our final. First connect the long wire to the left side connection. It's a 5-pin connector. It can hang loose behind the unit. Then there are 3 other connections to make, and you'll see it, they're all sticking up there. And the 5 will go to the 5, the 3 to the 3, and the 2 to the 2. It's impossible to do it wrong. Final connection for the power supply is made by plugging into the side of the box. Turn on the switch and you will see that there's a light on, confirming you have power through the circuit. It is on when there's power to it. That indicates that everything will be working. Okay, at this point you're going to turn the machine on at any one of the 3 places. And the StepLifter will go up and seal to where it's supposed to be. We'll do a final adjustment once it's up. With the platform approximately in the right place, now you're going to move it forward till it's against your step. At this point, it should be approximately level with the step. At this point, you adjust the outrigger with a flathead screwdriver, screwing it down until it's snug against the carpet to provide support. Now he's going to press one of the 3 buttons to start it back down again into its home position. Note that there are 3 control buttons, one on the right side of the railing, one on the left side of the railing, one on the main box here, such that you can use it to enter from the room up above if the thing happens to be down. At this point, the homeowner can try out. Going up, I presume it's on its left side. just like the facing.
I don't